Hello, and thank you for joining us on SCTV for the Summersville Area Chamber of Commerce Spotlight of the Month. This is a monthly broadcast where we feature one chamber member. My name is Lindsay Skidmore, Executive Director. I'm here today with Samara and Wes from Legacy Insurance and Financial Services, and they are our Spotlight of the Month. Congratulations.
Thank you. We're excited.
Do you guys want to tell me a little bit about what you do here?
Well, we sell insurance in all types, whether it be your home, your auto, your pet, your business, all the way from lawn tractor to a $100,000 piece of equipment, everything in between. And we have different folks that specialize in different pieces of insurance. Samara specializes in personal lines. She works out of the Gasaway in Summersville office. I'm more of the commercial lines, and I work all over the state. We have 7 offices. And so I travel to all the different offices working the commercial side of things.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about the personal side?
Yeah, so I do like your home, auto, life insurance, like boats, RVs, all that good stuff. We also do like probate bonds if people need bonds, or event insurance. So I do a lot of our personal lines with like auto and all that stuff.
So which companies do you guys represent here in your Summersville office?
Well, we get appointments with different carriers, and they apply to each office. And we represent probably 40 or 50 different carriers. If the major carriers that you see on TV, more than likely we represent Liberty Mutual, Progressive, Safeco, Westfield, just to name a few of them, Nationwide. But what happened was Nationwide sent us out independent a couple of years ago, and all of a sudden we go from captive, only able to sell nationwide, to now we can sell with any carrier we have an appointment with, and we can go out and solicit for appointments. If we see a carrier doing real good in maybe the automotive arena, then we'll go get an appointment with them so that we can offer better value to our clients.
So walk me through the experience coming in, as far as if you're a new client. I guess you can run through several different carriers to provide the best rates.
Yes, so typically the way a quote would work is we get the information that we need. We have a rating system. So when we get your information, we key it into our rating system and see which carrier is offering the best rate for your insurance. And then we go in there, fine tune it, call you, go over everything with you. We usually will deliver a couple different options, and it works the same with Wes's commercial stuff.
So we talked a little bit about the personal side, but you also offer life insurance, is that correct?
Yes, we do. We offer like whole life insurance, term life insurance through many different carriers. It's the same thing. We look for the best rate, different types. So we do like guaranteed issue if you have like health issues that you can't maybe get into a standard life insurance market. We do that. We also, of course, do the standard life insurance market. With life, do you have anything to add?
Well, with the life side of things, we also like to do a little bit of work. It's not just come in, give me $5,000 worth of life. No, wait a minute. Let's calculate. Let's figure out, what's your need.
Right.
Is this basically something for a burial is what you're looking for your own expense? Or are you looking more, I'm going to take care of my family if something happens to me? And, all that stuff is all in between. And once again, it's independent. We're an independent agent. So we look for the best value, best premium, and then pass it on. So.
I see a lot of people when they buy new homes that like to get life insurance to cover their mortgage if something would happen to them. So I run into a lot of that in personal lines. And
So personal life, you mentioned pets, but I know that you kind of expand even further. You can do business, commercial business.
We can write about any kind of commercial application that you would need. We have independent, so we can go with a ton of the big carriers that you see. We have some smaller options, agencies that are, or carriers that are domiciled here in West Virginia. There's several of them, and they're doing really good right now. So we've got that option as well. And then we also have access to what is called the excess and surplus market, which is a place that a little bit harder risk. You know, we put them in there, the loggers, truckers, things like that,
Right.
that carry a little bit higher rating. They're a little bit more difficult to get a hold of in terms of getting a policy for yourself. But we also do all that, as well as just the mom and pop shop on Main Street.
So no matter the business size, you would be able to customize a policy.
Yeah, about the only thing that we don't write is health insurance. Yeah, we don't do health insurance. But other than that, we're pretty much in the arena.
While we're talking about businesses, I know that I heard you have some sort of special farm certification.
Yeah, Nationwide Insurance does a ton of stuff with farm, and more so outside of West Virginia because of the size of the farms in the Midwest. You get out there and you're talking the combines and the huge farms out in the Midwest and the western part of the United States, and it leaks into West Virginia some, but West Virginia is more of just a hobby farm type area. But yeah, they have me trained up to where I'm farm certified. I'm master farm certified with Nationwide. One of only, I think there's only 2 or 3 of us in the state that are master farm certified. So, and farming is my passion. I have a farm and ride horses and everything. So I'm really passionate about that. So I enjoy having the knowledge and being able to talk to people and save them money, help them out.
So if somebody does have a hobby farm or even like a mainstream business farm, what are some things that you could offer to them?
Well, we can offer about whatever they would want, and what happens is I go out and I say, hey, can I come by Friday morning? And yes, come on by. And then we stand there and talk. We walk around the farm. Sometimes we'll get on a side-by-side, ride around the farm, look at everything. And I mean, if you have it and it's valuable to you, then we need to talk about insuring it. For instance, on the bigger farms out west, some of them will get into fencing and they'll insure the fence, just in case. Typically we don't see that here in West Virginia, but that would be an option. Lots of times, I know in Braxton County, we've got a couple people insured over there with bigger farms. They have concrete feed pads, and pretty expensive when you're talking a 6-inch concrete pad that they feed on. And so you get into a lot of that stuff. I'm kind of giving you a vague answer, but you don't really know until you get there and start talking to someone to see what's valuable to them.
Yeah,
Right.
I mean, with farm, he can cover their property or like livestock. If they have livestock, you do that.
The house, barns, equipment.
Yeah.
If it's valuable to you, then we probably should insure it. Yeah.
Right. So you did mention that you have several locations around the state. Do you want to tell everyone where the Summersville location is?
So Summersville is right here on Main Street across from the courthouse. The address is 705 Main. And then we're also in Gasaway. We are in Sissonville, Charleston, Belington, Elkins, and Marlington. So pretty much the central part of the state is the area that we cover.
And if someone wanted to come in and get a couple quotes from you guys, you're here in the office.
Yeah, we are here Monday through Friday from 9 to 4:30. That's pretty central around all of our locations. They could come in and give us their information. We do things over the phone, through email. Sometimes I will even set up like video chats with my customers if they're busy and can't come in. So we're really easily accessible.
And then we can also do, COVID got us going to where we can do business remotely. Signatures are now, binding,
Right.
binding for documents. And so we can send out a signature page via email and you can sign it right there. You don't have to print anything out or anything like that. I was selling a policy the other night at 8:30 in the evening to a lady in Charleston.
Yeah.
It was a homeowner product, and I had to try and get a hold of Samara, and I think she'd already went to bed, so I couldn't get a hold of her. I got it to happen though, but we're pretty flexible with folks. If there's a need, we can address it for them.
Which is a good example. We do
Yeah.
do a lot of work from home and different things too, like to service our clients. it's important to us.
Do you want to tell everyone how they could reach you if they're interested in a quote?
Yeah, so you can find all of our offices on our website, and that's www.legacywv.com. Our phone number here in the Summersville office is 304-872-1548. And if you like email, we have a company email address, info@legacywv.com.
Anything else you guys can think to tell me about your business?
No, we just appreciate you guys coming by.
Yeah,
And
for sure.
yeah, we appreciate it. And if anyone would be interested, just get a hold of one of us. Walk in, call, whatever.
It was great talking to you guys today.
You too.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for being a part of the Summersville Area Chamber of Commerce, and congratulations on being Spotlight of the Month.
Thank you guys
you.
for all you do. And thanks to the City of Summersville with the TV. I appreciate them coming by as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The Summersville Area Chamber of Commerce is a voluntary partnership between businesses and professionals working together to build a healthy economy in the Summersville area. Continue to join us right here on SCTV every month as we feature one chamber member. If you have a business or organization and would like to be featured as the Summersville Area Chamber of Commerce Spotlight of the Month, give us a call at 304-872-1588 or visit our website at www.summersvillechamber.com.